Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa isang prediction. Yan, prediction kay XRP kung saan ay ayan selyado na raw po ang daanan patungo sa 0.90 dollars na presyo ni XRP o Ripple. Or ibig sabihin ay nakakasiguro na raw po tayo na aakyatin or tatahakin ni XRP ang presyo patungo sa 0.90 dollars or 90 cent. Ayan, at dulot po kasi nito ang isang nabuong pennant formation, pennant pattern na formation. Ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi po rito ay XRP has triggered optimism in its journey to the 0.90 dollar price territory amid the recent formation of a pennant pattern that could indicate an impending uptrend. Ayan. Kaya ng sinabi ko kanina ay ayan, mataas po ang posibilidad. Yan, naaakyatin daw na XRP or Ripple ang presyong 0.90 dollar price territory. Dahil po dyan ay dulot po kasi yan ng nabuong isang pattern na tinatawag pong pennant pattern. Yan, ito raw ang siyang nagbibigay or nag-i-indicate ng isang nalalapit na uptrend or pag-akyat ng market price ni Ripple or XRP. For the uninitiated, a pennant is a short-term continuation pattern shaped like a small symmetrical triangle. It forms after a significant price movement, indicating a brief consolidation before the previous trend resumes. Notably, the direction of the previous trend typically determines the direction of the asset when it breaks out of the consolidation. XRP's pennant formation has come on the daily chart following a sustained uptrend over the past month. XRP had dropped to $0.4878 on October 18 amid a battle with the bears. However, the bulls took control of the scene on October 19, leading to a 6.54% surge that day. This marked the start of an impressive multi-week run. XRP maintained the momentum until November 6, surging to a high of $0.7324. This rally resulted in the formation of the pool. Ayan. Ganyan po nabuo yung pennant formation na ito. Ayan, base po sa mga naging price action niya nitong nakalipas na mula buwan ng October at November. Ayan, hanggang November 6, nabuo yung kanyang pole. Kaya, ayan. However, the run slowed upon hitting resistance at this price level. This led to a subsequent price consolidation and mild occasional swings and lows. This pattern has continued since November 7, leading to the formation of the pennant or flag. Kaya, ayan. Ayan po yung flag formation natin. Ayan. Pennant formation, makikita po natin ito sa sa daily chart time frame. Ayan, daily chart time frame po ito. It bears mentioning that most pennants form horizontally. Nonetheless, as observed in the daily chart, the recent XRP pennant appears to slant downward mildly. Ayan, totoo po yan. Sa kadalasan po yung pennants na pattern ay talagang naka-horizontal po talaga yan, nakatayo. Nakatayo yung ito po yung kanyang flagpole, tapos nakatayo po yan. Pero yan, pagdating po rito sa pattern na ito, medyo ayan, naka-slant po siya ng downward. This is due to the bears exerting more pressure on the asset's price amid the consolidation phase. However, it does not invalidate the pennant at the current position. XRP targets $0.90 or 90 cent. Turkish XRP investor and trader Bella Core called attention to this formation in a post on X. Furthermore, an intriguing disclosure suggested that XRP could be gearing up for a rally to $0.90 once it breaks out of the current consolidation phase. Kaya yan, kung sakaling nagkaroon daw ng breakout sa kanyang consolidation na or nagsa-sideways na kanyang galaw ngayon ay aakyat daw po ito, magkakaroon ng rally, price rally at aangat si XRP patungo sa presyong 90 cents or $0.90. As earlier highlighted, most pennants result in a breakout to the previous trend. The analyst noted that the $0.90 price target rests on the pivotal Fibonacci level at 0.382. The last time XRP saw this price territory was on July 13 when it soared on the back of Judge Analisa Torres ruling. Ayan, yan po ulit yung kaganapan, yung July 13 na ito. Ito yung talagang nagpakita ng napakagandang price rally si XRP. Dulot po yan ng ruling ni Judge Analisa Torres. Nonetheless, Bellacor believes the bulls need to push for a return to the $0.67 zone within the pennant. XRP is currently changing hands at $0.6101, having relinquished the $0.67 zone to the bears on November 14. A resurgence of selling pressure has impacted the asset's price more. Kaya yan, kakailanganin daw ni XRP ayon kay Bellacor ang yan, sapat na puwersa ng mga bulls, mga bullish, yan, para paakyatin ang market price ni XRP sa $0.67 zone. Ayan. Further declines at this point could invalidate the formation of the pennant, resulting in a steeper collapse. Kaya yan, to hedge against this, the bulls must break above the $0.6686 resistance at Fibonacci 0.236. Kaya yan, kung sakaling nagkaroon daw po ng decline, yan, sa point na ito, sa ating pennant pattern na ito, ay magkakaroon po ito ng invalidation. Yan, sa ay pinapakitang signal ng pennant pattern formation. At ang imbis na aangat po ito ay magkakaroon ito ng matinding pagbagsak. Ayan, babagsak ito. Yan po yung magiging resulta. Ayan, maghanda-handa raw tayo kung sakaling nangyari ito. Kaya ayan, yan po ang prediction dito ng isang analyst dito kay XRP na kung hindi raw magkakaroon ng breakout dito sa ating pennant formation na pattern na ito, ay yan, babagsak daw po siya ng malaki ang kanyang ibabagsak dito. Pero kung nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa itaas, ay ayan, pwede po niyang akyatin. Magkakaroon po naman po ito ng price rally at pwede po niyang akyatin ang presyo na hanggang $0.90 or 90 cents. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.